Hey guys, today's activity is quite different, and this activity is Boredom is Beautiful. I'm sure you must have heard this term for the very first time. How can boredom be beautiful? Because our whole life is all about avoiding boredom. The moment you sit down for a minute, what do? You take out your phone and you start looking at it. You sit down in your room, what do? You switch on your TVs. You have nothing to do, you want to call up your friend and speak to them. So every time, every attempt we make is not to get bored. And today, this is an activity which says boredom is beautiful. Why boredom is beautiful? That I want you to explore how boredom is beautiful. I can tell you how to be bored. I know the whole world is teaching you how not to be bored, and this is where for the first time you're going to learn how to be bored. So the first thing that you can do is you can just be here. Focus here on your breath. Inhale, exhale. Inhale one more time and exhale. Inhale one more time, exhale fully into it. Now, you just be here as a piece of life. Just sit here as a throbbing piece of life. For the next few minutes, you're not going to force yourself to do things or to not to do things. Just be here. Your mind will suddenly start thinking of many important things. Your mind will start telling you that this is such a waste of time. What am I doing here? I need to do this. I need to do that. Once I do that, after that I can sit for this activity. But trust me, these are all the different ways of your mind to tell you, please don't do this. Why your mind is trying to stop you from doing that? Because the moment you learn to be at one place with a sense of ease, your mind feels threatened because its survival is in danger. Mind wants to keep you busy all the time so that you never experience the beauty and blissfulness of something called as boredom. To be here with your own self. The thoughts which are coming, allow them to come. Don't resist them. Don't get involved in them. You're just sitting here, doing nothing, as a piece of life, throbbing. Nothing is needed. Everything in this moment is whole and complete. This moment is whole and complete. In this moment, you don't need anything else. You don't have the need to take any action. Because many a times we learn the significance of action, but we forget to learn the significance of patience. Patience is a virtue. Very few people possess this. Many a times you've taken the action, it's time to wait. Ask a farmer how patience is important for the crop that he is going to get. Ask a mother who's going to deliver a child the importance of patience for 9 months. That quality of patience in you will allow you to experience life in a completely different way. Just be here without the need of doing something, feeling something, being someone. Just be here in the presence of who you are without giving too much significance to your own thoughts and your emotions. Just be here. Just be here. Just be here. This is a moment of bliss. This is a moment for life. This is your moment of creation. You're being graceful even in your boredom. You're being gracious enough to be here as a piece of life. Don't stop your thoughts. Don't resist them. Don't get involved with them. They are as they are. Your mind is trying to tell you that such a waste of time it is. Don't listen to that. Don't resist that. Let it come. You have many things coming to your mind, many priorities which are important. Trust me, they are not. This moment, experiencing yourself fully, and that bliss is the most important thing that you need in your life. Be here. Be here for as long as you want, and whenever you want, you can move out of it and do anything that you want. May you experience the bliss of this boredom, and may you experience the beauty of this boredom. Boredom is beautiful.